الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده وعلى آله وأصحابه الذين أوفوا عهده who are not eligible for receiving zakat or who should not be given zakat. The money of zakat is not halal or permissible for the family of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Family of Prophet means the family of people of the house of Ali radiallahu anh, family of Aqil radiallahu anh, family of Jafar radiallahu anh, family of Abbas radiallahu anh, and the family of Haris radiallahu anh, son of Abdul Muttalib. Number one, any person who is from the descendants from above five mentioned families, that person is not eligible of receiving zakat. He can be helped by any other ways. Number two, paying zakat to non-Muslims is not permissible. And number three, such NGOs which doesn't adhere or follow the Islamic principles are also not permissible to receive zakat. And number four, husband and wife cannot give zakat to each other. Who you can give zakat to? Every Muslim who is not an owner or possessor of 52.5 tola, 612.36 gram of silver, or have gold, cash, wealth, trade goods not equal to paying of zakat, charity or sadaqah, they are legally eligible to receive zakat money. Best recipient of zakat. Number one, the religious institution which has double reward. One for preserving of religious press and printing, and second of paying zakat. Your deserving relatives also have dual reward and blessings.